is Ranjita ma'am. Ranjita ma'am, are you here? I want to make you the co-host. Ranjita ma'am. Ranjita ma'am from Kamareddy. Are you here? I wanted to make you the co-host. Can you put your name in the chat box? Okay. And hello, good afternoon. How are you all? How are you all? KGBB Langol Khulain. Okay. I would spotlight you. Hello. So thank you. Can you unmute yourself? Okay, can you unmute? Hello. So you sent all the solutions to the puzzles, right? KGBB Langol Khulain. Can you hear me? KGBB Langol Khulain. Can you hear me or not? You can do like this. If you can hear me, you can do like that if you can't hear me. है आवाज आ रही है हाँ KGBB Moirang Manipur. You are able to hear me? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You sent all the solutions to the puzzle. So you will get the surprise gift as promised. You sent now all the solutions? Did you send the solutions to the puzzle? Okay, we'll talk later. Okay. So, okay. So, hello and good afternoon. So, for today's session, we are going to do some art and I hope everyone has the material. So, what did we need? We need a paper like this, a ruler. We needed where did my ruler go? Okay, there is my ruler. Yes, we needed a ruler, we needed a paper, we need some colors, crayons or pencil colors, and we need a tape. So does everyone have the material? Hamshi, can you translate?
అందరి దగ్గర మెటీరియల్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఈరోజు? ఒక స్కేల్, ఒక పేపర్, కొన్ని క్రేయాన్స్ అండ్ ఒక టేప్. అందరి దగ్గర ఉన్నాయా? ఉంటే థమ్స్ అప్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే థమ్స్ డౌన్ చేయండి.
Do you have the material? Can you do a thumbs up if you have the material? Can you show the tape? Have you got this tape? I'll launch the material poll quickly. And okay. I hope everyone has the. Can everyone answer? Do you have all the material for the session? KGBV Topki Chandel Manipur. Do you have the material? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Lokeshwaram says they have the material. Very nice. Do you have the tape also? Show me the tape. Show me the tape. Can you show the tape that you have? Okay, they don't want to show. Okay. All right. So we will start now. Let me just go back to this. Okay. So what we are going to do today, we are going to make an art Okay, somebody is showing Lokeshwaram. Do you want to show me the tape? KGBV Lokeshwaram? Yes, all the girls are sitting there. Hello. Do you have this tape? Can you show it to me? What tape? Oh, I think. Okay. So we will start. All right. I can't see your tape, but anyhow, we will start now. Ranjita. Okay, Rajita. So Rajita ma'am, I have made you also the co-host, and please help me in translating whenever needed. Okay. So what we are going to do today, okay, so before we start the session, so last week nobody sent the homework and Vikram Bhaiya has said that please send the homework because if you will send the homework, then only we can see if you are doing it right or not. So please share the homework with us. And whatever you do, please share it with us so that we can see what you are doing and we can also give the feedback if needed. Okay. Now, in today's session, so what we are going to do, we are going to, okay, let me just, yeah. So we are going to make some beautiful art using tapes. And when we make that art, there will be some beautiful shapes inside that art. After that, when you have those beautiful shapes, we will study about their properties and we will study about the angles and the sum of the angles of those shapes. Okay. So are we ready to make the art? Who wants to make the art with me? Will you give me a thumbs up? If you want to make the art, will you give me a thumbs up? Kamareddy KGBV. Do you want to make the art? Yes. Very nice. KGBV Lokeshwaram. Okay. Very nice. So what we are going to do, we have, okay, so here we go. So all of us have a paper with us, okay? So this is a paper that we are going to use and this paper has 4 sides, okay? How many sides does this paper have? 4 sides. And what we are going to do, we will use 7 tapes, okay? So length of the tape could be anything, but we are going to use 7 tapes to connect the sides of the paper. So what do I mean? So let me go to the overhead. Okay. So this is my paper. I'll take this colored one. And this paper has 4 sides, okay? Pink side, blue side, red side, and the green side. So there are 4 sides to the paper. Now, using this tape, I have to connect all these sides with each other. Let's say, so green, this pink has to connect to green, this pink has to connect to red, this pink has to connect to blue, and so on. So we have to connect all the edges with each other, but we have only 7 tapes. So we will see, can we connect all the sides with each other or not? Is the question clear? Is the question, can you give me a answer?
సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి పేపర్ లో 4 లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా రెక్టాంగిల్ లో. సో ప్రతి లైన్ ని ఇంకొక లైన్ తో జాయిన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు పింక్ లైన్ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని బ్లూ లైన్ తోటి, రెడ్ లైన్ తోటి, గ్రీన్ లైన్ తోటి జాయిన్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ అలాగే గ్రీన్ లైన్ ని పింక్ లైన్ తోటి, బ్లూ లైన్ తోటి, రెడ్ లైన్ తోటి జాయిన్ చేయాలి. సో అలాగే ప్రతి ఒక్క లైన్ మిగతా లైన్ తోటి జాయిన్ అయి ఉండాలి. కానీ మనం 7 టేప్స్ మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయాలి.
Okay, so is it clear now? Does anyone have any question? This is the first rule. So how do we connect the tapes? We connect the tapes so that the sides are connected. I'll show you one. So I am connecting this pink side with the green side like this. So I have used 1 tape out of the 7 and I have connected pink side with the green side. Now I will use my second tape and I will connect pink side to the maybe blue side, the red side. So I have 7 tapes and I have to connect all my sides to each other at least once. Like every side should be connected to the other side, okay? And the second rule is that no 2 tapes. So no 2 tapes can pass through, no more than 2 tapes can pass through the same point. So that you can see here, I have put 3 tapes here. And these 3 tapes are going through the same point. So this should not happen. Our tape should not go through the same point. So what do I mean here? Look here. So this is my first tape. Overhead. Yes. So now if I put my second tape like this, I have connected my pink with the red edge. And now so I am going to connect if I do like this, you can see this point is common. I cannot put my third tape like this. I can pass it through some other point like this. You can connect it like this. So these are 3 tapes. So we have already used 3 tapes and I have 4 more. Okay, so I have total of 7 tapes. And I want to connect all my edges to each other, sides to each other. So I have connected pink with green, pink with red, but I have not connected pink with blue. So I will connect that like this. And I want to make as many shapes as possible, not only triangles or squares, as many shapes as I want, I can make it. Okay. So now you make your own and I will make mine and then we will show each other what we have done. Can the people on YouTube also join on Zoom, please? Shraddha ji, can you share the link on YouTube? People who have joined on YouTube, can you please join on Zoom so that I can see what you all are doing? Has everyone got the question? KGBV Popki, don't you have the material? Do you have the material? Where is the material? Show me. Unmute yourself. Okay, you have the tape. Show me. Bring it forward. Oh, white. You have the cello tape. Okay. We don't want the cello tape because cello tape will tear the paper. We want the paper tape. But anyhow, use it now. Whatever you have, use it. Okay. Who else? Okay, Suryapet district. Show me what you are doing. All of you have cello tape. Okay. Okay. We needed the paper tape. Okay. No worries. CRT Maths. Kamareddy. What do you have? Start putting Suryapet district. Put them on the paper. Place the tape. So you have to use 7 tapes. You have to use 7 tapes. So I'll show you again in the overhead. So look here. So what I have done, I have this. Oh, this is very thick tape. Kamareddy district. This is very thick tape. Don't you have a little thin tape? Thin tape चाहिए. हाँ. हाँ.
మనం ఈ యాక్టివిటీ కోసం కొంచెం తీసుకోవాలి.
ठीक है.
లావుగా ఉన్నది కాకుండా కొంచెం సన్నగా ఉన్న టేప్ తీసుకోవాలి. అలాగే సెల్లో టేప్ కాకుండా వేరే టేప్ ఉంటే అది వాడండి. సెల్లో టేప్ అయితే పేపర్ చినిగిపోతుంది. ఒకవేళ సెల్లో టేప్ ఉంటే పర్లేదు. అదే కాకుండా పేపర్ టేప్ ఉంటే ఆ పేపర్ టేప్ వాడండి.
ठीक है. Okay. So now what we are going to do, so everyone, you have to use 7 tapes and connect these sides with the other sides of the paper. So pink should be connected to green, Pink should be connected to red. Pink should be connected to blue. Now you can see green is already connected to pink. Green is connected to blue, but green is not connected to red. So I will now connect green with red. So I will maybe do it like this. Okay. So I have pasted it like this. So now how many tapes have I used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have still 2 more tapes. So now pink is connected to all 3 sides. You can see 1, 2, 3. Green is connected to all 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Now red is connected to 2 sides. Red is connected to 2 sides. So what I'll do, I will connect it with the blue side. It is not connected to the blue side. So here I have connected it to the blue side. Okay. Now I have one more tape. Now let's see, blue is already connected to all the sides. So you can see pink, blue is connected to red, and blue is connected to green. Now I have one more tape and I can connect it anywhere I want. So I will connect it here. Okay. So I have got what I have got. When I put my tapes on the paper, I have got some regions. Now I have divided my paper into small regions and I am going to color them. Okay. So can anyone show me? Has anyone done this? Wow. KGBV Lokeshwaram, have you put all the 7 tapes? I can see 1. I can see 2. I can see 3, 4. Okay. 5. Yeah, I can see 5 tapes. Have you put all 7? All 7? Put all 7 tapes. Manimala, ma'am, why have you not put the tapes? Manimala, Max, put the tapes, connect the sides. You have 7 tapes. Very nice. Who is Khammam Urban? Show me. Have you put the tapes? I can't see the tapes. Come on. Have you put the tapes, Vicha? Yes, Lokeshwaram is nice. Very nice. KGBV Khammam, have you put the tapes? Show me the tapes. Where are the tapes? Okay. 7 tapes. Have you put 7 tapes? Vamshi, put yourself. Unmute yourself.
మేడం అది పేపర్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది సరిగ్గా కనిపించట్లేదు 7 టైప్స్ పెట్టారా ఇది ఖమ్మం 7 టైప్స్ పెడితే థమ్స్ అప్ ఇవ్వండి KGBV ఖమ్మం అర్బన్
Okay, Kamareddy has done. Very nice. Kamareddy. Very nice. Nice. So all the sides are connected. Well, looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Topopki. Have you done Topopki? KGBV Topopki. Very nice. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we have made the regions. Now the next step is we are going to quickly fill. So quickly do in groups, 2 girls, 3 girls, quickly fill the colors. So we are going to fill colors in the regions. Okay. Like this. Whatever colors you like, fill in them. So you can see I am putting the color over the tape also because I am going to remove the tape. But you have cello tape, so you do it a little carefully. Don't go over the tape, okay? So everyone is quickly going to color the regions. Whatever regions we have get, quickly cover them. Color them, sorry.
అన్నారు ఖమ్మం అర్బన్ చూపించమంటున్నారు అది దానికి తొందర కానీ అది ఇది మీ ఖమ్మం
Quickly, we will quickly fill the colors. Everyone is filling the colors. Don't color over the tape because you have cello tape. Your tape will be difficult to remove. I have paper tape, so I can easily remove my tape. So those who have paper tape, they can color over the tape. Wow, KGBB Lokeshwaram, very nice. And while you are coloring, think about what are these shapes called? Will anyone tell me the regions? We have divided our paper into different regions. What is same in these and what is different in these? Can anyone put in the chat while we color? There is something same in these shapes and there is something different also in these shapes. So what is same and what is different? Put in the chat box. People who are watching on YouTube also, they can also put in the chat box. What is same in these shapes and what is different? Wow, Kamareddy. Show me. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Now tell me, okay, Kamareddy, you tell me what is same and what is different in these shapes. Do you know what these shapes are called? You can unmute. Wait. Huh. What do you call these shapes?
Triangle,
Okay. Triangle.
quadrilateral,
Okay.
acute angle,
What angle?
obtuse angle,
Obtuse angle. Okay. Nice. What else?
triangle, obtuse angle,
What?
equilateral triangle,
Oh, do you have equilateral triangle? Show me. Where is the equilateral triangle? Which one? Tell me the color.
I think this one, madam.
Which one? This is equilateral. Why do you think so? This is equilateral?
Because they have sides. Three sides are equal, madam.
You know, are you sure these are equal sides?
Not sure, but I think that. Not sure, madam, but I think equilateral triangle.
Okay, you think. Okay, very nice. You think, but you don't know. So how will you check whether they are equal or not?
I will check by scale, madam.
By scale, madam. Okay, by measuring. That is very nice. Oh, I will show you one more way to check. Okay, let me complete and I will show you. Okay, and what
Okay,
other?
madam.
Okay, you have. What's your name?
Shivani.
Shivani. Think what is same in these shapes and what is different. So there is triangle, there is quadrilateral, there are other shapes. What is same and what is different? Think. What is same, Shivani? What do you think is same?
Triangles are same, madam.
Okay, no. My question is, Shivani, in triangles and quadrilaterals, what is same? if I ask you about triangles and quadrilaterals, what is same in both of them? Can anyone answer? If there are triangles, Shivani, speak.
Madam,
Speak.
quadrilateral triangles are equal.
Quadrilaterals, triangles are equal. How they are equal?
Two sides are equal, but four sides are not equal, madam.
Two sides are equal, but four sides are not equal. Okay, that is different. So you said that answer. You know, quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, how many sides are there?
Four sides.
And in triangle, how many sides are there?
Three sides.
So that is different. No?
Yes, madam.
Simple. Now, let's see what is same in them. Okay. Okay. So now that everyone has done, translate. So now that everyone has done, if you were using paper tape, there is one step, but you will not do that step because you have used sellotape. Okay. Nobody will do
Okay,
it.
madam.
Those who have used paper tape like me, they will do this step. But those who have used sellotape don't do this step because sellotape tears the paper. Okay?
Okay, madam.
ఎవరైతే పేపర్ టేప్ యూజ్ చేశారో వారు ఇప్పుడు మేడం చేస్తున్న స్టెప్ చేయండి. సెలో టేప్ యూజ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు చేయండి, ఎందుకంటే పేపర్ చినిగిపోతుంది.
Clear? So those who have used sellotape, they won't do what I am doing. Okay? So those who have used paper tape, they will slowly, like you see, I am pushing the tape out of the paper like this. So if we have used paper tape, we remove it like this. You can see very nicely, it comes out very nicely. It comes out of the paper and it is not tearing off the paper. This is paper tape, but sellotape will tear the paper. So we won't do that. You keep it as it is. Okay. So you can see I have removed my tape and now these are straight lines. Can you see? I have got straight lines here. So I will remove this one now. So I'm not going to remove all the 7 because it will take some time. I will just show you. So how do you remove it? By pushing against one another. So I'm just pushing one side and it is coming off very nicely. So just one side. But don't do that with sellotape because it will tear the paper. Okay? So now, when you remove all the tapes, a little bit got tear. Okay. So when you use or remove all the tapes, you get something like this. I'll show you. So when if I remove all the tapes, what do I get? I get something like this. Okay. You also have something like this only because you are using sellotape. So now can everyone show me their art? Can everyone do it like this and show me? Just come on front. Everyone hold their art and show it to me what you have got like this. Everyone do it like this and show me what you have got. Quick, quick, quick. Very nice. Wow. KGBV Lokeshwaram. Very nice. Okay, KGB. Shomdutta Pukram. Can you 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 3. Nice. Huh. Very nice. Very nice. Shomdatta Pukram. Can you show yours? Very nice. Swaroop Kattepalli. Very nice. Swaroop Kattepalli. You have got what shapes? Quadrilaterals, triangles. Has anyone got a pentagon? Count the sides of the shapes that you have got. Has anyone got a pentagon? What is a pentagon? How many? Show me with your fingers. How many sides does a pentagon have? Does it have 2? Okay. Does it have 3? Does it have 4? Raise your hands who have got a pentagon in their art. 4. A pentagon has how many sides? Kama Reddy is showing 5 sides. Have you got a pentagon also? No? No. Okay. All are triangles and quadrilateral. Has anyone got a pentagon? I think the KGBV Lokeshwaram has a pentagon. KGBV Lokeshwaram. Their screen is off. Shomdatta Pukharam. Are you doing, bacha? Shomdatta KGBV Lokeshwaram, your video is off. Shomdatta Pokharam. Are you doing? If you're using sellotape, don't remove the tape. Shomdatta. If you are using sellotape, don't remove the tape. It will tear the paper. You are not listening. Okay. So, wow. KGBV, there is this. Oh, there was this KGBV. Yes. Show me. KGBV. Munnu Gode CRT Maths. NLG. Wow. Do you have a, oh yes, you have a pentagon, I think. Yes, the red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a pentagon. Very nice. But 1, 2, 3, you have used brown tape. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All the sides. You have used only 6 tapes. Now you could have used 7. Oh, no, 7 tapes. You have used 7 tapes. Very nice. Have you got a pentagon? Tell me. Very nice. Pink. So all are doing, I think. Very nice. Okay. So now let's talk further. So what do we have? What have we got? So here we have got these beautiful shapes which are called polygons. And why are they called polygons? Because each shape is made of straight line. If you can see, all the shapes, we use the tape to make our straight lines. All the shapes are made up of straight lines, and these shapes are closed shapes. That means if I start from this dot and move here, I move here, and then my line goes like this, then my line goes like this, then my line goes like this, then like this, and like this. So from the point from where I started, I have ended there only. So that is the definition of a polygon. When you have a shape which is made up of straight lines and it is a closed shape, like you start from somewhere and you close on the same point with using straight lines, you get a polygon. Okay, so now we have our first poll question. Okay, let me. Okay, so now we will do the first poll question. Okay, so here everyone, you have, oh, so here is the, I forgot to add the picture. So here are the shapes. Don't answer without seeing the shapes. See the shapes first. The shapes are on the screen. There are 6 shapes. Tell me which of the following shapes are polygons. And you can answer more than one. A, B, C, D, E, F. Which shapes are polygons? Answer that. A, B, C, D, E, F. You can answer more than one. Quick. Yes. I have seen Manchal, KGPV Manchal, very nice. But you have used KGPV Manchal. Can you switch on your screen again? I want to see it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. But The right side is not connected to all, or is it connected to all the sides? It is, it is. Okay, okay. Did you get any other shape? Did you get a pentagon? Okay, so everyone is writing in the chat box also. Everyone is writing in the answering here. I will end the poll now. And okay, so let's see. So here we have 50% say A is a polygon. Okay, so our definition of polygon says that any shape which is closed and made of straight lines is a polygon. So if we look at A, so how does A look like? Okay, let me draw here. My A looks like this. So I start from here, I go like this, I go like this, and this is, I come here and so where I started from here and I am making a shape out of straight lines, and what I have got, a closed shape. So this shape is closed and it is made of straight lines. So it is a polygon. Okay. So A is a polygon. Okay, let's see the next. What about the next one? B. Is B a polygon? Show me a thumbs up if it is a polygon. If B is a polygon, show me a thumbs up. B is made up of straight lines and B is closed. Is it a polygon? Why no? Shivani, why do you think it is not? Tell me.
Madam, B shape have four sides. Four sides.
Oh, it has
Not
more than.
5 sides, madam.
So what? A polygon can have any shape or any sides. So triangle is a polygon, quadrilateral is a polygon, pentagon is a polygon. A polygon is a shape that is made of just straight lines and closed shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, okay, Vamsi Bhaiya will translate in Telugu. Rajita ma'am, are you there?
Madam.
Okay, Vamsi translate. Kar.
దీనిలో మనకి లైన్స్ ఎక్కువ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అలాగే సో అది కూడా
Okay. Huh. Okay. So I don't know when Vamsi Bhaiya ends, but yes. So Shivani, is it clear?
Yes, madam.
So so now B is B. Look at B. So B is, if you start from here, if you start, okay, I'll tell you here. Look, if you start from this line, and if you go, say like this, if you move along these lines, it will come back here. Okay, and it is closed.
Ma'am.
So it is a polygon. Is C
Yes,
a
ma'am.
polygon?
C also polygon, madam.
Why?
Madam, C is started from one
Yes.
side.
Okay.
One side.
Yes, one side. It goes. But is this a straight line?
No, ma'am.
So it is not a polygon. A polygon should have straight lines and it should be closed. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
D. Okay. Now someone else. Okay. I have asked you many questions. Will anyone answer? If is D a polygon? D is, yeah, a polygon because it is made of straight lines and it is closed. So D is also a polygon. Now, some people in the chat said E is a polygon. But why is E not a polygon? I say E is not a polygon. KGBV Moiram, will you tell me, is E a polygon or not? Is E a polygon? Is E a polygon? Quick, quick, quick. Yes or no? KGBV Moirang, Manipur. I'm asking you, is E a polygon? You have to answer. Yes or no? Tell me like this. No. Why? Why? Quick. Okay. So E is not a polygon. They are right because E is open. E is not closed. So E is not a polygon and F is a polygon because F is closed and made of straight lines. So everyone is clear till here. Okay. If anyone has any question, please put in the chat box. Very nice. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. Okay. And now I have a question for you for homework. If you were to use your tapes and if you were to make these polygons, sorry, if you were to use your tapes, can you make the polygon number A in your tape art? The art that we have made is called tape art. Okay? Because we have used, I can hear myself. Okay. Because we have used tapes here, this art is called tape art and there are beautiful artworks that you can make. I'll show you in the end. Okay. But now your homework question is it possible to make A, the polygon A? So you have got different shapes in your art. Okay, so let's see. So everyone has got different shapes in their art. Now the question is, can we make a polygon like A in our art using tapes? You have to try and send it to me, okay? Is the question clear? Yes or no? We have to make this type of polygon in our tape art. Is it possible to make it using tapes while they are connecting the sides? Okay. All right. Now let's move further. So I'll show you the different arts that we have made here using the same technique and you can also make. So this is the one which is done by Meghna. She is in the lab and she has made it. So first she put the tapes and then she put the colors in them. Then we made this art like this. So we put different colors and then we made outlines and then we made some triangles in them. And then there are other versions also that we did. I think I have not got them, but yes. So we can make oh yeah. So one was this one. We made only triangles. So you can make as many different shapes as you want and you can get beautiful arts from, oh, this one. So here we put mix of colors in these shapes and we got different shapes. Okay. So now the next question is, so we have done this. Now, okay. So now let's say this is, yeah. So now let's say I will take this triangle. Okay. This pink triangle I will take. Now what do I do? I am this person. Okay. This chalk is my person. Now this person is walking along the boundary of this triangle. Okay, so what I'm doing is I will take something else because, okay, so yeah. So let's say that this is a person and his face is here towards the right. Okay. Now the person starts walking around the boundary of the triangle. What do you think when the person reaches here, where will his face be? Will his face be towards the left or will his face be towards the right? So I am walking like this. Now I take a turn and I turn like this. Then again I take a turn and then I take a turn and I walk like this. And then again I take a turn and I come here. So my face faces in the same direction which I started. So everyone can try this along with me. What you have to do is, okay, let's do it. So make a triangle. 3 people make a triangle. So three girls. Quickly make a triangle by joining your hands. 3 girls can make a triangle and 1 girl has to walk around them by using their hand. Will you do that? Hindi, bolna. Telugu.
ముగ్గురు కలిసి ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ చేయండి. ఫామ్ చేయండి.
दोबारा बोल, बीच में कट गया.
ముగ్గురు నిల్చొని చేతులు పట్టుకుని ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేయండి.
So make a triangle. Will you make a triangle? No? Okay, I can see some girls who have made a very nice. Wow. And I will spotlight them here. Very nice. They have made a triangle with their hands and they are moving the pen. Now, okay. Now, can you make a point on the pen? Can you make a red mark? And when you are turning, so see, when you are turning, your face also turns. So we have to see where will the face point when you come back. Okay, look here. I will show you what I'm saying. So here. Yes, very nice. But can you make a mark on the sketch pen like this? So here, look. So you have used this sketch pen. Make a mark here. Let's say make a mark here. So I have made a point here. Now so look here. This is my mark. I will mark here. Okay. Yeah. So now when I'm moving, I go like this. Now when I have to turn, okay. Okay. So when I have to turn, I turn like this because to turn, you will have to turn your face also. You are going straight, but then you turn. So look, now this has turned and now once again it will turn. I'll do it like this. So it is going like this. Now it turns, it comes back and it turns and it points towards the same side. KGB will okay. I am saying, okay. गुट्टू मेरी बैग की ऊपर वाली जिप में ना एक बिंदी पड़ी है छोटी सी. Okay, so now when you are moving around a shape, if you start from anywhere and you come back to the same place, you are always facing in the same direction. And what does that mean? So if you look here, yeah. So let's say this is a person and he is walking around. He is walking around the triangle. So let's see how does he walk. Look carefully on the screen, everyone. Okay. Okay. So everyone look here. Okay. Now this person is going to walk around the triangle. So when the person turns, when he comes back, you can look here. When he comes back, here, he is on the same position. His hand is on the right. So when you move around any shape, you always come back to the same position. So if you are turning, if your face is on the right, when you take a full round, your face will again be on the round. Mera blue bag. Okay. So now when you are moving around a shape and you come back to the same position, what does that mean? What you have, so when you go around a shape, you have covered a full circle. And when you cover a full circle, what angle do you cover? When you move a full circle, can you tell me what angle do you cover when you move a full circle around the shape? You can answer in the chat box. Okay, Kavita ma'am is saying 360. Very nice. What? So, I have got this also. Yes. So many teachers are saying 360 degree. So now I will show you because I did not have. Okay. Now let's come back here. Okay. So this is a cat and her face is here on the right. Okay. Now the cat is going in the straight direction. But now the cat takes a turn. So her face has come towards this side. Now again, the cat wants to take a turn because the triangle is this side. So it again takes a turn, okay? And now again, the cat takes a turn and it is in the same direction as it started. Is it true? It is in the same direction. So now, because it has covered a full circle around the triangle, it has made an angle of 360 degree. How many degrees it has made an angle of? 360 degree. And now let's see, is it the same around this shape also? Okay, I will start from here, okay? And the cat is pointing towards that side. So let's start. The cat goes like this and it makes a turn. So when it turns, it will turn like this. Now it has to go straight, but it will turn and now her face is here. It again turns and the face is here. It again turns and the face is here. It again turns and the face is here. It again turns, the face is here. And now, where is the cat? It is in the same position as it started. So when we are moving around a shape, we are making a full circle. That means we are making an angle. Total angle we are covering is 360 degree. Now when we say that we are covering a total angle of 360, what do I mean? Let us see that in the polygon, okay? Okay, now let's. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a paper and I will draw a triangle here. Okay? So I'll draw a triangle here. Now, this cat starts from here and it was going straight. It was going straight. But now it takes a turn. So now when it takes a turn, so it was going in this direction, but it takes a turn. So when the cat takes a turn, it makes an angle. It makes an angle, right? So when the cat takes a turn, it makes an angle. Now again, when it comes here, it was to go straight. It has to go straight, but it makes an angle. So what angle is it making? This angle. Now again, when the cat is going like this, it has to make an angle. It has to go like this, but because it turns, it makes an angle. So if I ask you, what is the sum of all these angles? What do you think will be the sum of all these angles? So these are the total angles that the cat has turned from the starting to the end point. So what is the sum of all these angles? Whatever these angles are, we don't want to measure them. I am just asking what will be the sum of these angles. Can anyone write in the chat box? What will be the sum of these angles? Shivani, you want to answer? What will be the sum?
180 degrees.
Why 180?
Triangle shape.
Wow, very nice. 180 degree. But, okay, but this is not right. Yeah. So no, this is not right. It's good you said 180. Let's see why is it not right. Because, look here. I am not talking about these angles. These are the angles of the triangle. Okay. These are the angles which lie inside the triangle. Their sum is 180. But what I am talking about is, I am talking about the angles which are outside the triangle. You see? And we said, now see, these are the angles by which the cat turned. So if you go here, make a turn. So this is one angle. Then the cat comes here, makes another turn. This is second angle. Then the cat comes here and makes another turn. This is the third angle. So it is making 3 angles when turning. And what did we say? When you cover a whole round around a shape, the sum of the angles will be 360 degree. So you take any shape. Let's say I make a square now. Let's say I make a quadrilateral, okay? Okay, let's say I make a pentagon. So now what I'm going to do, we will start the cat from here. Now the cat is starting from here. It had to go straight, but it made a turn. So it made a turn and it made this angle, okay? Then it comes here and now it had to go straight, but it made an angle. So here is the angle. Now it had to go straight, but it made an angle. So here we have another angle. It had to go, as I said, this, it will make another turn here. And where will it make the last turn? Here. So when it reaches here back, it has covered all these angles. It has turned all these angles. And we know when you start from a position and go around the shape, you make 360 degree. So sum of all those blue angles will be 360 degrees. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Can you give me a thumbs up? Everyone, can everyone give me a thumbs up? I can see only 5 screens on. Can people write on YouTube also? If they have got it? Okay. So you take any shape, the sum of the exterior angles of any shape will always be 360 degree. And one more thing. How do you take the exterior angles? I'll show you once again. So let's say this is my hexagon. Okay, this is my shape. Now, how do I take the external angle? So I extend my side. I extend this because this is the direction in which I will travel. So I will travel like this, but I'll take a turn. So when I take a turn, this is my angle. I will go in this direction, but I'll take a turn and this will be my second angle. Then I will come here, but then I take a turn, third angle, then fourth angle, then fifth angle, and then sixth angle. Okay. So 6 angles. See, because it is a 6-sided shape, so I have 6 angles. Okay. So these are all the exterior angles, and the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. Any shape you take, because you are completing a full round by making turns, you get 360 degree. Okay. Now the question is, so Shivani said that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right, Shivani? You said that this sum, the angles which are inside the triangle, they add up to 180 degree. Can we prove that? How do we know it is 180? Yeah, you want to speak. You can speak, Shivani.
Madam, 3 angles are equal to 180 degrees.
But why?
Because this is triangle.
So, why it cannot be 200? Why it cannot be 250?
In this triangle, measure 180 degrees only, ma'am.
In every triangle, it is 180 degree. That we agree?
Yes, ma'am.
But why? Why is it 180? So we will try to prove that. Okay. So everyone, please stay for 5 more minutes. 5 or 10 more minutes. I will end the session. Please watch this. We will just do the final result and I'll give you the challenge questions. Okay. Everyone, please stay for 10 minutes. Okay, quickly. So now we will prove. So we know that any polygon we take, the sum of all the exterior angles will be 360 degree, right? Okay. So that is true that the sum will be 360 degree for every for exterior angles. But now, yes, so Rama Reddy ma'am has, KGBV has said something which is right. Okay, now let me draw. I'll take another paper. So, I have a triangle. Okay, and I will make the exterior angle. So, one line goes here, then the other line, because this line has to be extended, and now this line will be extended here. Okay, so I will mark my exterior angles. These outer angles are my exterior angles. Okay, and these are my interior angles. The inner ones are my interior angles. Okay, right? Okay, now tell me, what is the sum of this full circle? The full circle angle equals to how much? Angle of a full circle is how much? Full circle. Angle of a full circle is how much? So if I have a circle, what is the angle? 360 degree, right? Now if I fold this into half, I got a straight line, and this half circle, what will be the value? The value of this half circle will be 180. Very nice. 180. Okay. So, how many half circles are there in our drawing? 3 half circles, right? So, we have 3 half circles. Let me draw a half circle. Okay. So, we have 3 half circles here, and we need to find the sum of only the green angles, right? What do I want to find? I want to find only the green angles. So, can you tell me what is the sum of all these blue angles? What is the sum of all these blue angles? You can unmute yourself. Yes, somebody has given the answer in the poll. Very nice. 360. Very nice. So, we did this. The sum of exterior angles, these blue angles, is 360. Now, if I subtract 360, so all these angles, they sum up to, their sum is 3 times 180. 3 times the half circle, right? This is 180, this is 180, this is 180. So this plus this plus this is 180 plus 180 plus 180, which is equal to 3 times 180. Can I write it like this? Right? And because the sum of the blue angles is 360, can I subtract 360 from this? So these are my total angles. And if I subtract 360 from this, what will be my answer? 3 times 180 is 540 minus 360, which is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of we have already said that the sum of exterior angles is always 360, right? So what I did was I took the sum of all the angles, and from the sum of all the angles, I subtracted the sum of the exterior angles. So what do I get? The sum of the interior angles, the green angles. Is it clear? Now, can you find for a square? Just 3 more minutes. Sorry, not square, quadrilateral. If you have a quadrilateral like this, what will be the sum of all the interior angles? What will be the sum of all the interior angles? Will somebody do and show me, explain? KGBV Manchal, Lara, KGBV Atmakur Surya. Last question. Let's do this last and then we will end. Will anyone tell me what is the sum of all these 4 angles of a quadrilateral? And show me how. Why it is so. No, just not the answer. KGBV NCR. Can you explain, ma'am? First, make the exterior angles of the quadrilateral. What did we do? We made the exterior angles. How do you make the exterior angles? Let's start from here. And then this is your second line. This is your third line. And this is your fourth line. So where are our exterior angles? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the sum? How many total angles do we have? Tell me. Show me on your fingers how many total angles do we have? Is it 2, 3, 4? How many total? Okay, KGBV MCR is saying 4 angles. And all 4 angles, so we have total angles. So when I say total angles, I say all these together, black and blues together. And what is their sum? 4 times how much? How many times we are adding 180 here? 4 times. So 4 times 180. And now I know the sum of all the blue angles. What is the sum of all the blue angles? What is the sum of all the blue angles? 360. So I will take away 360 and I can show you one more easy thing to do. Okay, look here. 360 means 2 half circles. This is 360, which is a full circle. And if I divide it into 2 parts, this is 2 half circles, right? So can I write this as 4 times 180 minus 2 times 180? Can I write this as 4 times 180 minus 2 times 180? And now these are same things. So let's say I'm not writing 180. I will write here 4 half circles minus 2 half circles. So how many half circles are left? 2 half circles. So this means the sum is, now we can put the value 2 times 180. This is equal to 360. Right? So the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360. Okay, very nice. Quickly. Now, look here. So when we have a triangle, how many total angles do we have? In a triangle, how many total? 3 angles, right? And the sum was 3 half circles. And we subtracted how many, the sum of the exterior angles was 360, which is 2 half circles. 3 half circles minus 2 half circle, which is 1 half circle. So the sum is 180 degree, right? Now let's see for a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, how many are there? How many total angles are there? How many total angles are there in a quadrilateral? 4. So 4 half circles. How many half circles we will make? 4 half circles. So we have 4 half circles. And what is the sum of all the brown angles? The exterior angles is 2 half circles, which is 360 degree. So how many half circles we have? 2 half circles. which is equal to 2 times 180, 360 degree. Right? Right? Now, can we do for pentagon? Last. Pentagon. How many total angles will be there in a pentagon? How many total will be there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many are there? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 exterior angles and 5 interior angles, which means 5 half circles. So we have 5 half circles, and what is the sum of the exterior angles? All these brown angles, what is their sum? 2 half circles, right? 360 degree. So how many half circles are left? How many half circles are left? 3 half circles. So what is the sum of the interior angles? 3 times 180, which is 540. Right? So did you understand? Can you now find yourself for hexagon, heptagon? Will you do the homework and share it with me in the group? Will you draw the shapes and will you draw the shapes and will you show me why, like if you are given any polygon, what will be the sum of the interior angles? Can you do it and share it with me? Shivani, will you do it? Okay, Shivani के साथ कौन है? Who is there with Shivani? Shivani के what's your name? The girl with near Shivani?
Visija.
Vishika ma'am.
Vishija. And what's the name on the left? Shivani is right. Sorry.
Prasanna madam.
Prasanna.
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 Ma'am.
Prasanna. Okay, so you do it, okay? You now tell me if you are given any polygon, what will be, so let's say you are given a 10-sided polygon, like a polygon which has 10 sides. So what will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sum? Okay, you have to share in the group. I will wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, okay, so now the homework. So I will quickly tell you what is the homework. So now when we were putting the tapes,
Like this, ma'am.
yes, when we were thank you. So when we were putting the shapes, we have got different shapes, okay? Different sided polygon is, can you put your shapes so that you can get the maximum sided polygon in your artwork? I mean, so if you look here, I have this. So in one of the artwork, I put my shapes like this, tapes like this. You have 7 tapes only and you have the same conditions, okay? You have 7 tapes only and you have the same condition, okay? But if you see here, this is my largest polygon. And if I count the sides, how many sides are there? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So now your challenge question is, can you make a polygon of 9 sides in your art using 7 tapes? And same conditions, all edge must be connected, sides must be connected, okay? This is the first challenge question, and the second challenge question is to make a beautiful art. See, so make anything and then you fill it with your imagination. So I made something like this and then I saw a fish and then I started making it like an aquarium. So you make your tape art and you make beautiful designs in it and share it with us. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So is everything clear to everyone?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear. Does anyone have any question? I can wait for here, and those who want to leave can leave. Those who want to leave, they can leave. I can stay here. This is how you will make your artwork. Okay. Okay. So I will end the session. I don't think any questions. All right. So I hope you liked KGBB MCR. What are you doing? You are okay, madam. Okay, triangle is done. Try with the hexagon. Tell me what will be for hexagon, what will be for heptagon, and if you're given any sided polygon, what will be the angle sum. Okay. Okay. So thank you, and I hope you liked the session and you enjoyed it and you understood it also. And I will look forward to your answers in the chat group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, KGBV MCR. Share your work. Bye. Only 3 KGBV.
Okay.